Hey, how are you all? The topic for this video is how to make sense of these things we call research studies. This video will help you understand what they are, how they are constructed, and what their specific sections are. Finally, this video concludes by offering you some academic resources to how to learn and get support to start to develop a research study. So, there are many different types of research studies, each offering unique views into the world of exploring trends in our world. Two of the most common are what we call observation studies and intervention studies. Non-human, or what are frequently known as animal or in vitro studies. These types of studies are often conducted in a laboratory or clinical setting. They frequently involve establishing what we call experimental conditions, a treatment or control condition. Experimenters look to manipulate experimental variables in hopes of establishing a connection between treatments and outcomes. Observational studies that examine groups of people who share common characteristics, like age, income, and education. They look to see what things they share which contributes to certain aspects of their lives. Intervention studies offer the application of a treatment into the experience of a subject to see if that treatment makes a difference to the lives of those subjects and others in society. Next, we have what we call meta-analyses. These are basically types of reviews that look across studies within a given area and look at trends in research findings. If there is consensus or agreement across different studies, then we say that a treatment has more validity or accuracy and reliability or consistency. There are 6 main sections that each contribute to conducting a research study. They are the introduction section, methods and analysis sections, the presentation of results and conclusions of the study, and any applications for future research given the completion of that study. Each of these sections will be addressed over the next couple slides. In the introduction section, the researcher aims to establish the context, needs, or fit for the study. There is a mention of the study's purpose, what research has already been done in the area, and how that study fits in the area, and generating a hypothesis, or an expected finding statement. Next, in the methods section, the experimenter details how they will collect the data specifically. Where will they do it? How will they do it? What is the study's setting or physical environment? What is the timeline for completion? In the analysis section, we look at what specific types of research and statistical software packages we will use to evaluate the data collected. Will it be a qualitative or quantitative approach to analysis? We present the data in the results section, often by the use of tables and figures detailing the data and specific values associated with it. Finally, in the conclusion section, an experimenter restates their experimental hypothesis, how they conducted the research, what they found from the data, and how those findings fit within the current body of knowledge in the field. The last section, which is often combined within the conclusion section of a research study, is a subsection on the applications for future study. That is, given the study's findings, or lack thereof, how can the human condition or experience be changed or altered given the study's results? How does the study advance the field of study? Finally, given the results of the study, how can future research use the findings in conducting future studies? So, research studies hold a tremendous amount of importance for advancing what we know about a particular topic or field of interest. They are principally composed of 6 sections that were discussed above. Each section lends specific structure to developing a well-designed research study. Thank you for watching our video on research studies. For more great and informative videos, please go to and subscribe to our YouTube channel at AskASC. Have a great day!